Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a summer everyday makeup routine. I hope you're going to enjoy this, and this is going to be kind of a catch-up, chatty, chit-chat like video, so I hope you'll enjoy it. And let me know down below if you prefer my artsy like makeup tutorials with like music and stuff, or if you prefer voiceovers. Personally, I don't really like doing voiceovers, but if you do, let me know. Or if you prefer these ones, which are kind of more chit-chat, chill, relaxed, let me know. So to start off with, I'm just going to let you know I've had a shower and my hair is wet, which is why it looks like this. And also I've washed my face and moisturised, so I don't need to do that. But I am going to start off with some Mario Badescu Aloe Vera facial spray, which I really love. It just adds a little bit of moisture to your face and it feels really good. So today I'm not really getting ready for anything. I'm going to see my friends tonight and we're just going to chill and watch Eurovision Song Contest, which is a big thing in Sweden. Everyone watches it. And yeah, so I didn't really need to do my makeup, but for the sake of this video I wanted to, because I really wanted to make a video like this because I've been loving the dewy makeup and I've been wearing it a lot. And if you can't tell, I have got a tan since last time I filmed.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
That's exciting. The first thing I always like to do before I start putting on my makeup on is put lip balm on, and this has been my favourite one recently, and it's the Glossier Birthday Balm. I adore this stuff so much. It's so good, so I'm going to put that on. It is quite expensive, so I don't take too much, but this lip gloss just adds some glitter because it is the birthday one. They have tinted ones, they've got a coconut one, they've got a mint one, they've got so many different ones, so they'll definitely have one that suits you. This one smells like birthday cake. This video isn't in collaboration with Glossier, I just like to use their products, so heads up. Yeah, so I don't wear foundation because I'm just used to only wearing concealer. I don't like the cakey feel, and especially for spring and summer I like to minimize the amount of face makeup I put on. So I'm first going in with my Nyx Hd Concealer because this one is kind of pink toned, which is good for blue under eye circles. So I'm just going to add that. So I'm just going to put some of that under my eyes and also on my eyelids to conceal any veins I may have. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit easier. And I just use my fingers to blend it in because the heat from your skin from your fingers will melt the product in, and I'm just too lazy to wet my beauty blender. True facts, the true tea is spilled. JK, that wasn't any tea, that was like water. Okay, so I guess I'll start you on with my life update, I bet. So I'm currently 19 years old. Shocker. So many people think I'm like 14. Girl, when I was 14, I can tell you I didn't look like this. I see like 14-year-old YouTubers like Marla Catherine, like I know she's 15 now because it was her birthday actually today. Like she'd be looking fine and good. I wasn't like that when I was 14. I was tragic. If you haven't seen my reacting to old pictures and old videos, then you won't know. But I was tragic, I can tell you that. It was the year 2013. And yeah, not much more to say about that. I've got like spots here which are not visible, but I can feel them. I only have about 4 months left till not 4 months, I would be dying if there was 4 months left. Yeah, there's 4 weeks left, like roughly 4 weeks left until graduation. Hi, bye, what? Yeah, I kind of feel like that right now. No, but I can't understand how quickly time has flown by. So I'm graduating, and with graduating comes the question,
what will you be doing afterwards?
From basically everyone, even from you guys. For the longest time I haven't known what I want to do after I graduate. All I really kind of knew was that I wanted to travel afterwards, but I never had anyone to travel with that wanted to travel with me, and I just knew travel is such a important thing in my life that I want to do lots of, and I figured what better time than to travel than in a gap year. Like I've got no school, no like responsibilities at all. I should travel, and one of my friends also didn't really know what to do. She kind of wanted to travel, so we decided that it would be so much fun and amazing to go backpacking. Yeah, I know everyone goes backpacking, but honestly it seems like so much fun and just like the best thing to do, I feel like, for me anyway. So we are planning on going backpacking. I probably shouldn't tell you this like now because it's definitely not decided. Like, we only know that we want to. We don't know how much money we'll have saved when the time comes, but we're definitely trying to save so much money right now because it obviously is expensive, because we want to go for like 3 months. We want to go to like Asia and maybe Australia. So I'm looking forward to that, even though we haven't booked anything yet. And if we are going, we're probably gonna go next year, like February, March, April kind of thing. So now what I did was I took my collection concealer in the shade Medium Cool 2, and apparently these aren't cruelty free anymore. Collection used to be cruelty free. I heard from some of you guys that they stopped. But I just put that on my spots, and anywhere I was red, and just blended that in with my finger again. And now I'm going to go in with a powder. Just use any powder as long as it's like cruelty free. And I'm just going to pat that under my eyes. So I haven't found a really good cruelty free powder yet, which is why I'm still using up my old one from a brand that tests on animals, which I'm not going to give any advertisement to them, so I'm not naming them. But I just use a little bit of powder, mostly for under my eyes so my concealer doesn't crease. My camera is definitely flashing right now. Feels great. Yeah. So the next product I'm going in with is one of my like favorites. I'm in love with this product. I swear by this. It's so good. It's the best blush I've ever tried, and it is the Dusk Cloud Paint by Glossier. I did a full face Glossier first impressions where this product was included, so if you haven't seen that already, I will link it down below and in the eye up here right now. Oh shit, that came up quick. So I just got this little bit of amount, and then I'm gonna rub it together on my ring fingers. I took a little bit too much, but that's okay. When placing it, I just like to look in the mirror and think where I'd like to have blush and where you get kind of sunburned naturally. So there, and then I go up in like a C motion almost, and I also like to add a little bit across the bridge of my nose like that, so it gives even more of a sun-kissed look. And then I start patting it in with 2 fingers, and as you can see it looks kind of intense right now, but I did take a little bit too much and it will blend out lovely. You can also add a little bit of this to your eyes if you took too much, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm just going to keep blending this in because I did apply way too much. So now when I'm happy with that, I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit, and to do that I use this, and it's the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I just take it on this brush from Vanity Planet. I've been spending a lot of time looking at so many different YouTube videos on what to pack and stuff, and I've made a wish list on Amazon. So like packing cubes and loads of different things, and like a waterproof pouch for your phone, and just like loads of handy things to bring. And I've also been looking at backpacks and stuff because in Sweden when you graduate you normally have like a party for your family and friends, and then people normally buy you gifts. So I've been kind of like also making a wish list for that. But when the time comes around, then I'd love to make packing videos for you guys and like, yeah, showing you what I bring and everything like that. And I'd obviously like vlog the trip, but I don't know if I'd want to bring my MacBook with me because obviously it's quite an expensive thing and it's quite heavy, and like if it goes missing then don't really know what I'd do. So I don't know if I'd bring my laptop and like upload the videos while I'm still there, or if I just bring all the footage home and edit it once I get home. What do you guys recommend? We were thinking of like, a lot of people have said that for 3 months a 60-litre backpack is good. Do any of you have any experience, and what do you say? I just like to bronze a little bit on my nose and under my nose here. So my battery's blinking right now. I've got 3 batteries and all of them are blinking red, flashing red I mean. So I'm going to try and speed this up. But next I use my Glossier highlighting stick. So this one is in Moonstone, and I like to take a little bit on my finger and I just pat it in the areas where I want it. So on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and on the tip, on the cupid's bow. So the sound quality and the picture quality is going to be so different, but I'm filming on my vlog camera right now because all of my batteries are dead and I kind of need to finish this video now. So yeah, last thing I did was my highlight from Glossier in Moonstone. And now I'm going to be doing my brows, which are so quick and easy compared to what I used to do. So to do my brows, I'm taking the Glossier Boy Brow in brown, and I swear by this, like, it's so quick and easy. I love it. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Very slow. So I just kind of brush my brows upwards and to the side. And then towards the front I do more upwards movements, like so. So there's my brows done. They go really quick and really easy. And now I'm just going to move on to my eyelashes. And for lashes, I have recently loved using brown mascara. It is amazing. It looks so natural and I just really like the look of it. So I'm using my Sigma Embellish Lash Mascara in the shade Put It in Writing. Yeah, and I also swear by eyelash colours. Like, I never apply mascara without curling my lashes because it gives them such a lift and it makes so much difference. So yeah, I can't remember what I was talking about. I think I was talking about like packing and graduation and stuff. But yeah, crazy how I'm almost done with school and now I have to choose like a path to go down, which is crazy. I haven't decided where I want to go, but I think I want to do like a foundation year. But in Sweden it's 2 years at most places for a foundation year in film, because film is obviously what I'm passionate about and I feel like it would be weird for me not to at least try and pursue film as a career. I don't know, but I'm also leaning towards marketing and PR and just like media and stuff like that, and for me to be able to study that I would need maths 3 and I've only done maths 1 and maths 2, so I need to read that. So I need to study that. So I've applied for more information about the maths classes, and you can take one from home, but I feel like that would be harder without a teacher to like show you how to do it and stuff. And I'm definitely not the best at maths. Like, I'm the worst. I'm probably the worst at maths. Yeah, I'm really bad at maths. So I definitely need a lot of help. So that, yeah, they're my plans for you, which aren't really plans, they're just ideas and stuff like that, because a lot of people have been asking me what I want to do in the future. Another thing that's been on my mind is that I don't want to be like an annoying YouTuber now that's like, my views are dropping, like I only care about the views, but because I've never like tried or wanted to be one of those people. But my views were like okay before, and now I feel like they've dropped so much to the point where I'm like, do you guys even care about what I upload anymore, or am I just uploading the wrong things? Do you want me to do anything else on my channel? Like, I don't know. I feel like you guys maybe are starting to get bored of my vlogs. I don't know. Let me know. Please let me know. But that is everything that I do for my glowy makeup look. Sometimes I'd add a gloss, and whenever I add a gloss I use the Glossier lip gloss that I got and I just put that on my lips. This lip gloss is like my favourite lip gloss ever. It gives such a beautiful shine. So that is what I do for my glossy makeup tutorial, and I finish off with some dewy NYX setting spray. Normally I'd try and do this before my mascara, but I forgot, and I do forget quite often, so yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, even if my camera died and all my batteries are dead, so I had to switch my vlog camera. But my vlog camera has got pretty good quality, it's just like the sound is nowhere near as good. Yeah, and I hope you found it interesting hearing about my future plans, even though I don't have any plans. I was just kind of rambling on a bit. This video I didn't like talk as much as I'd wanted to in this video due to my camera dying, and I got something black between my teeth right now. So yeah, oh, I can tell you that I have got a summer job, and it is to take care of the elderly, so it's in an elderly home. I've never worked with that before, but my friend has, and 3 of my other friends are going to be at the same place that I am, which is really comforting and fun. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. In the summer I'll probably keep on doing vlogs. If you want me to, please do let me know down below, and also if you want more makeup videos. I've seen recently someone commenting that they wanted more makeup videos, and I realised I haven't done a tutorial in 3 months, so here's a tutorial for you. It failed, like something doesn't want me to do tutorials, but I love this look and I'm gonna be wearing this throughout the whole of summer. Like whenever I put makeup on, I'm gonna be wearing this. It is very simple and easy and quick. Another thing, if you don't have natural freckles, I'd normally like to add some brown freckles, use like a brown eyeliner, but I have freckles now because I've been out in the sun and you probably can't see them because they're quite small and they're only around my nose area here. But whenever I do add freckles, this one is what I normally use, and it's the Primark brow pencil one. I'll try and add some for you guys if you want me to. I'm not the best at adding freckles though, because they normally turn out to be too big. You have to be very careful when adding freckles because they can easily look unnatural, but if you don't care that they look unnatural, then do whatever. As you can see, some of them down here have turned out too big, but when that happens I'll just take my finger and kind of fix it up a little, and then I go over everything like this. I pat my fingers in it, which just melts product again. You could obviously use a beauty blender all the time. I've been using my fingers, but your hands are more accessible. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love you all so much. Here are the shout outs for today's video. You guys make my day. I always read your comments. I always try to reply to every single one. You guys mean the world to me. Without you, I wouldn't be so happy and doing what I love the most. So yeah, I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.
I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile.